Alright, so here comes basically the conclusion of my Micro Center open box motherboard. It was quite the experience. I got it to install Windows, I got it to boot, everything booted fine, everything seems to be working just fine. Turn it on here. You may or may not be able to see the numbers changing. Postcodes, everything's going. I was just in sleep mode there. It looks great. Everything runs good. Yeah, everything seems to be perfect with it so far. Basically, to sum up, obviously this is a very small sample size. Cat is chewing on my zipper and my buttons here. He's chewing on the buttons. Very small sample size. I have never bought an open box motherboard before. Even the sales guys at Micro Center seem to shy away from doing it. I guess since you don't get a CPU bundle discount with it, I found out, it might not really be worth your time to buy an open box motherboard unless it's very deeply discounted ahead of time. Then it might be worth your time, but it's with the motherboard discount or the motherboard CPU bundle, it's almost better just to buy a new, I think. Unless, yeah, it's a really deep discount, then it might be worthwhile. But so far, not a complaint. I did buy the 2-year protection plan on it, so if anything goes wrong with it, they give me a new one anyway. So yeah, open box motherboard at Micro Center. Kind of a good deal, kind of not. Up to you. Take it or take this video for what it is. You know, maybe it'll help you, maybe it won't. Maybe I got lucky. Maybe you got some bad luck. Let me know. Thanks for watching.